Our first approach is deploying a ML model using ECS Fargate. Our model objective is to predict healthcare costs based on our patient demographics, and for this purpose, we have trained a linear regression model from a sklearn package. And then we have serialized the trained model using a pickle package. As a second step, we have created a Dash app to create a GUI for users to input data. Then we are loading the train model using Pickle to update predictions based on the user's inputs. After which, we have created an endpoint using the server provision from the Dash app. As a third step, we have containerized these files locally in Docker using Dockerfile and a requirement file. So first we are building a Docker image, then containerizing it to run on port 80. And then we are creating a repository in AWS ECR to which we will be pushing our containerized Docker image. So this is our repository, and we can see that our image is pushed successfully. We'll copy this image URI so that it can be deployed in AWS ECS. Now I'll be navigating to AWS ECS. We'll create a cluster by configuring a custom image URI. I'm mentioning the port to be 80 as this is the port that we have mentioned in the Dash app. We'll be retaining the defaults for task and service definitions. Then click on create, which will launch our ECS service. So when we click on the task definition, we can see that it has allocated a public IP. When we hit on this IP, we can see that our application to predict healthcare costs is deployed and can now be accessed publicly.